Good to see all of you and happy Friday. Let's just real quickly, let's see if you can tell me our school rules. You tell me, okay? Pretend I'm brand new and I don't know them. So what are your school rules, Longfellow? Live with integrity.
Earn and give respect.
Give respect. Act responsibly. Okay. Practice compassion. Very good. Well, this morning's assembly is about empathy. And we're going to talk about empathy and kindness during guidance this month. And what a great month to talk about empathy. We celebrate wonderful things, especially Valentine's Day, right? And that's all about our hearts, okay? So I want to start off with a video. Now, at the end of the video, I have some questions for each grade level, okay? If your grade level answers the questions correctly, there's a prize, a little tiny, tiny, tiny prize that I will give all classrooms in that grade level on Monday. If you answer your question correctly, so I have 6 questions. I have 6. And if your grade level answers your question correctly about this video, Mrs. Simmons will owe you a prize on Monday, okay? All right.